What's going on, guys? This is Cowboy Connor back at you again with another video. Once again, we're going kayaking today. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Maybe comment down below if you don't like something, because I know you all don't like something in life. But anyways, we all made it back home safely. Some of us more safe than others. I'm looking at you. But anyways, let's get right to it. This is Cowboy Connor signing out. Let's do this thing.
Dad, you think we got enough kayaks? Do we have all the paddles?
Oh man, I hope we got.
Oh yeah, we got all the paddles.
Yeah, there. I got my truck. Come around, like we're that done. Wait, nope, sure don't.
Okay, good. Yeah, R2 is the ones with the bungee cords around them.
Cool. Hell yeah, brother. Put it on the Hit that, yeah. What's up, everybody? Alright, guys. Say some smart shit.
Hell yeah, brother!
So far, so good. We haven't lost any. I'm just gonna go sit on
Daddy, why's the water brown, huh? Sponsored by Busch Light.
Today's video brought to you by Busch Light. Unofficially, but oh my bad, Lexi.
Dang, Connor.
I heard there was a party boy there.
Scott's trying to tip everybody.
Hang on, Connor, you can join in.
Get off of me. Let's see if there's any eggs in here. Oh wow, it really is. I thought he was lying. Yeah. Yeah, we're Gucci. We're Gucci. I ate about 5 birds, eggs, on camera. Apparently the camera was off. Get ourselves down through the jungle. Ooh, it's slippery. Slime. If you're squeamish, I'm sorry in advance. I'm gonna cut it out. It's just dripping.
Ooh, yeah, you were flowing, buddy. Ooh. Here.
That's my plan.
Dr. Josh, rescue. Alright. No, don't get that shit in my kayak.
Dang, it's nice and liquidy too.
Spray it with this.
Yeah.
Alright, throw it. Throw it at Josh, don't throw it at me. Spray it.
Spray the shit out of it. This is dirty ass.
Oh boy. That feels nice and cold. Well, I'm gonna wrap it in something. Just I don't want to mess your t-shirt. I got it, sure.
Sting?
No.
Well, Well, sometimes it stings. Like me, if I ever get a cut.
It hurt worse when I slipped on the rock than anything. I could feel it when I slipped on it, and then I started pushing her in. I was like, "Yep." Well, guys, first casualty of the trip was me. I don't want you to have to touch it. Put it in my
I need like some water to wash it off with. Will beer be okay?
Yeah, I got ice.
I'm just trying to get that old foam off. 'Cause that's not going to do anything to soak up all the foam.
Josh is the doctor? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I'm trying to hold pressure so
Is that the antiseptic swab that he's got in his mouth?
Yeah. Yeah. Got me bandaged up. Some of the blood's going out. Carrie's nervous. Carrie's full nervous.
Did you tell your mom that you bleeding to death?
Put some shoes on this time. Pour me another glass. Can't fit my foot in here.
Is that what you stopped for? So Scott?
Oh, drink. What do you say, Scott? Good so far?
So far, so good. How about with you?
Good.
Good deal.
Wave at it. Alright, cut it off for me.
Cut one off.
Did I lose something?
Me too. This is the best
I
one
went
I've
underneath
ever
it.
drank in my
I
life.
fell earlier.
This is the last one I had.
Oh, yeah.
I went before
When you
y'all.
were 7.
Out the beer and I had one. And I was like,
Randall, you too many?
yeah, I stepped in a hole over there.
I love how saying all these professionals and we're not.
Little turtle. Taking a little.
How'd you catch him, Scott?
With the paddle.
My dog. He seems sweet. Look, I'll stick my finger in his mouth.
Gotta kiss him on the lips.
Yeah, kiss him. You might turn into a princess.
Dang, Connor, that's real deep.
Is it as deep as this one?
Oh.
Hey, the fucking chemical bird right here is worse than that, man.
Nah, it feels alright. It feels alright. We're gonna be alright, guys. Hey, y'all stand out there. I'll take a picture of y'all.
Let me see it.
Let me see.
It's
for real.
deep.
Yeah, but the way it was bleeding, I said, look at him.
When I saw it, I was worried about it.
Oh, yeah, you're fine. All right, Randy Lee, anything you say and... Never mind.
Have you sprayed it?
Anything you say and do will and can.
Yeah, I've already sprayed it.
Held against you.
That needs to be like glued together.
Oh shit, Connor.
Josh, he's pussy. He needs to tie it very tight.
That's what I kept telling him.
I didn't want to hurt you because I know you've got delicate feet.
Yeah. No, my feet are perfect. Right, Kara?
You're gonna edit that, right?
I'll tell you what, it's pretty out here. We're just living the life. You got it, Karai. Oh. Hey, OnlyFans. OnlyFans.
Here, Connor.
If you'll ask Paper, if you'll say, Carol Bass.
We fought hard. We fought good. But, what do you think about the trip?
I think it was good. I think
Good.
that you didn't know what you were doing, but at the end of the day, I think we made it through.
Good to hear.
Through.
Great to hear from you.
What's up?
How you think about the trip?
It was a good trip. It was very entertaining.
We took the adventurous way.
We learned
Yeah.
a lot today about ourselves.
Either way,
Don't trust God.
we made it through, all of us.
But did you die?
We did not die.
Very good.
My foot is healed. Ish. Where's Carson? He's going to get the vehicle. I need an interview from you.
Okay.
How'd you think it went?
10 out of 10. Smooth off.
Hold on, we gotta go towards the sun this way. Right here. How'd it go?
10 out of 10.
Wow,
Pretty good.
you're still alive, so that's good.
Yep.
It's a company car. It doesn't matter.
Roll Tide. Yeah, we'll push them out.
Okay, yeah. Appreciate it.
Carson's back with the truck. Wow, that was quick. Thanks for watching, guys. I just got done editing. I just wanted to say, I hope all of y'all enjoyed your Memorial Day. Come back and see me. And for everybody that made this possible, thank you so much. My foot is somewhat good. Got a sock on right now. Thanks. Peace.